Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. On the number line above, the tick marks correspond to consecutive integers. What is the value of x? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So we actually have two methods to solve it. The first one is a try and guess kind of method. It's actually not that easy. And the second way is just the algebraic, which is I think it's maybe easier, but let's see. So we see x over 12 and x over 8 are integers. So x would have to be divisible by 12 and x would have to be divisible by 8. So what do we know about it? Well, then x would have to be divisible by the least common multiple of 8 and 12. If you know why, then it's really good. If not, I'll explain it. So, well, we just let's just compute what this number is, and we'll see why it is. So how we compute this? Well, we just write these numbers as its prime factors. So 8 would be 2 to the third power, and 12 would be 4 times 3, so 2 to the second power times 3. The least common multiple need to have these primes on the highest power. So what would it mean? That this number would have 2 to the third, 2 on the third power, and would have 3 on its first power. And this number, 8 times 3, would be 24. So we see that 24 would be the smallest number that is multiple of 12 and 8 also. Well, if you want an in-depth explanation, tell me in the comment section. I will make another video on it, because it would take a lot of time. But the other method would be easier, I guess. But now we see that x is divisible by 24. We just have to try numbers out. So 24, that's 24 over 2, that's 2. 24 over 8 is 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 difference. That's not good. Then 2 times 24 over 12, that's 4. 2 times 24 over 8, that's 6. That would be a 2 difference. That's not good. 4 times 24 over 12, that would be 8. And 4 times 24 over 8 would be 12. So that actually is a 4 difference. So 4 times 24 would be our answer, which is 1896. So that's the value of x. Okay, let's see another problem. This time with an algebraic solution. I just use numbers here. Yes. write it out. Y would be a whole number. So if you want to give this more a try, pause the video. But now let's see. This is actually an easier solution, I believe. But it could take time. This is a difficult one, but if you understand, it will be faster. So difference between these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y over 10 would be 5 times less than y over 5. So y over 10 plus 5 would be equal to y over 5. And now we just solve for y. So multiply by 10. So we won't have any denominators. Y plus 50 plus equals to y. Subtract y. 50 equals y. And that's the solution. Yes, it is faster. I may argue it isn't always faster, but I don't know. So yeah, I hope this was understandable somewhat, and hope you managed to solve it. And thanks for watching.